evening, students. I hope you have liked my videos. Till now, we have covered one topic, that is Guru Har Gobind Ji, and we have done two important questions: the new policy of Guru Har Gobind Ji and the battles fought between Guru Har Gobind Ji and Shah Jahan. Moving on to our next topic, we will be doing two more gurus, Guru Har Rai and Guru Har Krishan Ji. And the question which will be coming on these two gurus will be the contribution of the gurus towards the development of Sikh Panth. The next guru after this that we will be taking up is Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Again, there are two important questions that are frequently asked in the university. One is the early life and the travel of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, and the second is the martyrdom. Now, all these three questions, the videos of these questions I will be posting by tomorrow afternoon 2 p.m. So what I can say is happy learning and all